Hey guys, today I want to show you just a couple of new plugins recently released that found their way into my workflow. Let's get into the video. The first plugin that I want to show you is the SPL Machinehead. This was like a holy grail tape saturation, tape emulation hardware made by SPL. The hardware is not available anymore, but now we have the plugin and it's from SPL themselves. I know that this hardware has another emulation. I haven't checked that out yet. It's also a well-known machine because Sherban Genia is using it.
No happy ever after all. You walked away so calm and casual. You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. I'm calling drunk again, and I just can't pretend I'm fine. And when I sober up, you'll probably hate me.
This plugin is amazing when you need to get things loud.
Behave my guts, 'cause I just no happy ever after all. You walked away so calm and casual. You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. I'm calling drunk again, and I just can't pretend I'm fine. And when I sober up, you'll probably hate my guts, 'cause I just no happy ever after all. You walked away so calm and casual. You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. I'm calling drunk again.
I also really like the two band frequency adjustments, the high frequency and the low frequency. On this particular track, I am taming some of the high end.
Drunk again, and I just can't pretend I'm fine. And when I sober up, you'll probably hate my guts, 'cause I just
The low frequency adjust is available just on the ultimate version. This plugin is just a nice saturator, a nice plugin that you can use to add character. I've used it on the drums too. I really like what Machinehead is doing to a full mix and to the important bosses. It's a plugin that you should really try out. Next plugin that I want to show you is OrangeClip. This is not a new plugin, but we have version 3 now. OrangeClip is probably one of my favorite clippers at the moment. With version 3 we have multiband, and multiband clipping is an amazing feature. You also have tons of tone shaping capabilities with OrangeClip, and I think it's a really nice update to the already powerful OrangeClip. Try this one out because it's a really nice clipper. Next up, we have two plugins from the same family. I'm talking about the Ocelot from Fuse Audio Labs, the clipper and the limiter. On top we have the clipper, and it's really easy to adjust. You can push the input, or you can adjust the ceiling. You have positive knee and negative knee. You can change those.
Behave my guts, 'cause I just no happy ever after all. You walked away so calm and casual. You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. Drunk again.
We have delta function, which I really love on a clipper. We have the one-to-one level matching, which is an amazing feature. We have high quality.
Again, and I just can't pretend I'm fine. And when I sober up, you'll probably hate my guts, 'cause I just no happy ever after
Then we have the limiter, which is again one of my favorite limiters released recently. We have the input. This is how we drive it. We have true peak, auto release, and we have a couple of different algorithms.
You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. I'm calling drunk again, and I just can't pretend I'm fine.
Same features as the clipper with the one-to-one output and the delta. Plus we have a really nice soft clipper.
You'll probably hate my guts, 'cause I just live happy ever after all. You walked away so calm and casual. You're moving on while I'm still in withdrawal. I can't sleep at all. I know it's 4 a.m. I'm calling drunk.
This is a plugin that can be used to get things really loud, but it also has a certain character on its own. I really like what Fuse Audio Labs is doing with the new series of plugins. I like the clipper a lot. I will probably buy it. And the limiter is really amazing when it comes to bass processing, drums, music, percussive elements. Fuse Audio Labs is an amazing company and you should try out the new plugins. The last plugin is from Safari Pedals. I'm talking about the Bull Submachine. This is in collaboration with Leslie Braithwaite, an amazing mixing and mastering engineer, award-winning. This plugin is aimed at the low end. Let's try it on the bass. This plugin uses a couple of tricks that Leslie Braithwaite is using for the low end. It has a nice Pultec style curve. I can show you that. And this is what the plugin is doing. You can see we have the resonance, we have the drive, we have the punch, which just increases the low. So this is basically a Pultec style curve on the frequency spectrum plus saturation and the resonance bump. It's a really nice plugin that you can use to shape the low end. So these are just a couple of plugins that are newly released, caught my attention, I've tried it out and I've started using them in my daily workflow. I think all of the plugins are interesting and they bring something new to the table. Try them out and let me know what you think about them. If you want exclusive content, don't forget to join me on Patreon. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and see you guys really soon. Cheers.